show y'all, it's not a detailed makeup tutorial, but it is a tutorial on how to do your lashes, how to place them, because placement is everything when it comes to lashes, your eyeliner. So stay tuned for the next clip. And so this, okay, so basically this is just it's not a makeup tutorial, but it is like, it's not a detailed makeup tutorial, but it is like how to, you know, put your eyeliner on and your lashes on correctly. And I promise you, literally, the placing of your lashes will change the whole look. First things first is the lash. Not too much, but I wear these. Oh, I wear these lashes. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, I'm gonna pick that up in a minute, but I wear these. These are Miss 3D Volume Lash 302A. Those are really the only lashes I wear. Now that I think about it, like, I'll sometimes switch over to 102s, like M102. I don't know if it's 102A or 102B, but y'all get it. And start out small. See, it's like small, and as I get to the end, it gets a little bit thicker. I'm trying to see. I hope I'm doing this right on camera, y'all. With this one right here, this lash M302A, I'm gonna leave a picture like right here to show y'all like what the package look like if y'all want to go and buy it and purchase you some. They're at the any beauty supply, period. Like, it should be anyway. But okay, so I like to angle my lashes. My lashes don't necessarily be on my actual lash line. I like to angle them, like I said before, it depends on placement. I slant them when I put them on, because I feel like it gives me a more full look when I do it. I feel like all my black girls should know that. I don't know, I don't like the white lash glue because it doesn't work for my lashes. It just doesn't. So I used it. So now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna take my blush. The palette looks like, I don't know if you can see it, but you can tell I've been really using this one because I feel like that's just like the perfect shade. So I'm just gonna take just a little bit and put it right here. Y'all, believe it or not, I really didn't used to like blush. I didn't wear blush at all, but I feel like it makes my face look so much livelier and happier, especially since people say I look mean, and I'm not mean. I promise, it's just my face, and I don't think I should walk around smiling because then I look like a straight creep. Like, no. So that's my blush. And then for my highlighter, I have like 3 different highlighters. One of my highlighters are broken up. One of these highlighters are broken up, so I won't be holding it up to show y'all, but I think it's from, what is this? Who is this by? Bro, who's this by? Milani. It's by Milani, and it's in the shade Glowing 04. That's what it says, 04 Glowing. And the other one is by Kiss. I got from the beauty supply. I really like this one because I just feel like it really does something for me. It looks like that, and I got it from my beauty supply, and it's by Kiss. Again, it's called Glowing Bronze Powder Pro Touch for face and body. So that's what that's for. And I like to take like a blending brush for eyeshadow to apply my highlighter. So I'm gonna start by using my Milani because it gives, I don't know, I just like it better. So yeah, and I feel like it's not as harsh as it is. That's one thing I will say. Milani and Kiss highlighter, I feel like Kiss highlighter is a little bit more harsher, like it's harder to blend than Milani is. I feel like this looks more natural, and this is like for like a really like a bold makeup look. But I like my highlighter to be bold, like right here, just a little bit, you know, not too much, but you know, just a little bit. Y'all get what I'm saying? But yeah, so I'm gonna start right here, and I'm gonna apply it right here on my nose. And then on my cheek area, I'm trying to see which one. I'm gonna apply this one, the Milani, to my cheek. And I'm gonna only use the Kiss one for my nose. Not too much, just a little bit, just enough. And then I'm gonna take some, I'm gonna put some right here, my brow bone. And like I said, I'm gonna take a little bit of this because like I said, it's bold, so just a little bit, and then just accentuate the highlight right there and right there. And it's that I used to use, y'all, everybody know the lip gloss I'm talking about, bro. Like, I don't know one girl that does not use it or doesn't have it or didn't at least used to have it. It's that, what is it called? I don't know. I'm gonna insert a picture of it right there. I like to use the Neutrogena Moisture Shine Lip Soother right here, y'all. So that's the end of this video. I will be back with a get to know me, a makeup tutorial, a full makeup tutorial, like a detailed one, a hair tutorial maybe, I don't know. And I'm gonna have some more videos come out. I just can't think of them right now, y'all. Like, I don't know, but yeah, y'all get the point. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hopefully by then, yeah, I'll make up my mind if I'm gonna do a hair tutorial or not. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all later.